बस हो भाई,
आगे मत चलो, सब मिलेगा।
इधर 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 समीर रुके, आदित्य सर, आदि 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 आदि
सर रुको रुको सर, अरे सर साथ में
सर रुको,
इधर ही करो।
आदि 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 रुको, साथ
अरे रुको सर, साथ में आलिया जी आइए, साथ में आइए।
आले में वेट, आले में वेट, आले में वेट।
करण सर किधर है? भाई मोबाइल पीछे ले पहले। आलिया जी इधर देखिए। मैडम इधर इधर। मैम सेंटर, मैम सेंटर सेंटर, मैम सेंटर। मैडम इधर सामने देखिए।
आले 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 आले,
हाँ एक आप आलिया मैम सोलो सोलो
सोलो, आलिया मैम सोलो।
सर को देखो। आलिया जी सामने नहीं देख रहे आप।
आले 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 आले, ये पीछे कोई आ रहे हो सुनील बा, आलिया जी,
अरे भाई हट।
आले 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 आले, सामने आलिया, साइड साइड साइड, हाँ हाँ हाँ,
अरे भाई सेल्फी हट, सेल्फी।
हेलो
3 घंटे हम लोग खड़े हैं यार, बस क्या यार, फ्रेम खराब कर दे रहे हैं।
अरे रुको, आगे बच्चा दे रहा है फोटो। वरुण 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 होल्ड होल्ड होल्ड, वरुण होल्ड, वरुण यहाँ पे, वरुण से सेंटर, वरुण से सेंटर, वरुण से सेंटर, आगे बच्चा सुरेश, आगे बच्चा सेंटर, वरुण वरुण यहाँ पे, वरुण यहाँ पे, वरुण से सेंटर सेंटर, थैंक यू। आराम से आराम से, गुस्सा मत, जुम है ना, गुस्सा मत यार। चलो सब, थैंक यू सर। वरुण सर, दे दो मैडम को, दे दो
विशाली
आगे आगे आगे, साइड दे, ए साइड दे। पीछे 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 आना थोड़ा, पीछे आना,
ये पीछे आना।
भाई पीछे आ जाओ, पीछे आ जाओ।
पीछे आ भाई।
करण सर,
करण सर होल्ड।
करण सर यहाँ पे, राइट कैमरा सर,
सर सेंटर सेंटर।
राइट सर राइट, करण सर यहाँ पे ये कैमरा,
सर सेंटर, करण सर सेंटर,
करण सर ये कैमरा देखिए सर, राइट सर राइट, करण सर राइट, करण सर राइट, करण सर यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे,
सर लेफ्ट लेफ्ट,
करण सर राइट,
ये राइट साइड थोड़ा,
करण सर यहाँ पे ये कैमरा, करण सर यहाँ, थैंक यू।
बट एक और चीज का खुलासा मैं करना चाहता हूँ आज की, एक तरफ है माधुरी दीक्षित और दूसरी तरफ है आदित्य रॉय कपूर। इनका भी गाना एक आ रहा है अभी नेक्स्ट,
दोनों नाच रहे साथ में।
हाँ
but that's not released as yet. And
You're doing this in a very shady way. Huh? एक तरफ there is Madhuri Dixit and then there's Aditya.
Yeah.
ऐसे मत
Yeah,
कर
because
यार।
it's so-
क्या
yeah,
यार, it's not
it's
fair.
only down from there. No,
No, it's most certainly is not.
on his side right now.
yeah, no. But he was great help on the sets of that song also. He was my Sarojji actually on that.
There you go.
He really
There
helped
you
me
go.
and kind of pulled me through.
Alia, was it scary to dance with her in front of her? Did it
In front.
In
I'm
front.
going to say it time and again, in front. It was a bit nerve-wracking. But I was honestly nervous about the whole thing altogether. The fact that Madhuri ma'am will be there, the fact that it's a classical number, the fact that I've never done any classical Indian dancing in my life. My body language is very, the opposite of graceful according to me. So it was the whole experience of it that was a bit scary. But to be honest, I love things that scare me.
Right.
And I really believe that if there is something one should do is like do something that scares you a little every day. And this whole experience scared me a lot. So I think I have done my scary bits for quite some time. But I really learnt a lot as a human being, as an actor, as a performer, as everything. Just going through the process of the song.
Yeah, no, and now that was rehearsed and then you shot it. And today you actually did like Kathak for us. And chakkar वगैरह also. That was amazing.
It's just
Wasn't she
this one
amazing?
hook which I can do in my sleep
Acha,
because
in
I
your
did it so many times. So it's like something like I remember Varun and I were promoting even Student of the Year. We had done Disco Divane so many times that no matter what happened, he just used to.
एक्चुअली ड्यूरिंग स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर हम लोग ने एक चीज सीख लिया था करण सर से कि अगर आपने खुद के गाने पे नहीं नाचा ना तो कोई और नाच लेगा, क्योंकि जितना करण साहब ने राधा पे नाचा है उतना आई थिंक आलिया और मैंने भी नहीं नाचा है.
And I told Karan, I said, now you're going to take Ghar More Pardesi also from me.
एक्चुअली मेरा डिमांड है ये कि क्योंकि करण सर एक जज भी है और वो होस्ट भी करते हैं शोज, कि वो उनका वर्जन घर मोरे परदेसिया का कब आ रहा है. मैं वो मतलब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ उसका. जरूर आएगा. डिमांड करना आप लोग.
Sports you guys मचा दिया है एकदम यहाँ पे. थोड़ी पेट पूजा कर लें because we're not half bad
हाँ यार,
hosts.
हम लोग को बिल्कुल कुछ खाना नहीं ऑफर किया आप
है
लोगों
ना,
ने.
बस बुला दिया,
क्यों?
नचा
हाँ,
दिया है.
बहुत भूख. आप लोगों को कुछ खाना वाना दिया? क्या दिया? बस. अच्छा अच्छा.
Great.
अरे तो हम लोग को भी कुछ दे दो ना. हम लोग
अरे
सुबह से
स्टार्स को
निकले.
हमेशा मिलता रहता है, अभी क्या देंगे हमें?
स्टार्स को कुछ
अरे
नहीं
यार,
देते,
यार,
सिर्फ गाली.
I'm kidding.
ओह नाइस. ये
Take one पेपर प्लेट में.
ये पाव है
पाव
पर
है.
वड़ा नहीं है इसके अंदर.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
चटनी है, पाव में चटनी.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ ये क्या?
नहीं.
अरे
छोटा है चलेगा, वड़ा चाहिए ना.
तुमको भी. You all have got पाव बगैर.
चटनी पाव, चटनी पाव.
That's how we roll, guys. That's how we roll. और कुछ आ रहा है बस. There's
अच्छा, कुछ
only
और तो दे दो ना.
savory stuff. There's no
Vada
sweet.
leaf pav.
Do we have any? मतलब, let's see if we get the other one right.
I'm off a diet, so I don't mind having something sweet.
Guys, और कुछ है ही नहीं budget में, और कुछ था ही नहीं. So this is all you're gonna get. But have you come to realize that you cannot possibly have vada without pav, right? Like,
Yeah,
what is
exactly.
even going on?
Yeah.
Exactly like that. मुंबई के बगैर जग्गू तराना नहीं हो सकता है. We have Jaggu Tarana in the house joining the studios of 104.8-ish.
Fabulous. It's also surreal to be here, being launched at the same time as with them. Thank you.
नहीं, मैं सच बोल दूं, it's a very big deal for us also. जग्गू और तराना बहुत ही आइकॉनिक पेयर है रेडियो के, जो हम सब ने कभी ना कभी अपने जिंदगी में सुना है इन लोगों को. They went off radio. You all have been on a hiatus for how long now?
Quite a few years.
See, it boils down to revealing ages. So we're trying to avoid. No, but you're right. It's been years.
So
It's been
Alia
years.
was in school when we stopped.
We've discussed how I was 9 years old.
When we started, you
But-
were about 8 or 9.
Were you in school when you were 8 or 9 or?
Now, obviously, I was in
You
school
started acting at what age?
when I was 18, 17.
No, your launch was not then, no? Your actual launch. Sangha, oi.
No, you
Sangharsh.
हाँ, stop lying.
I forgot about it.
what they
Debut,
call
हाँ.
child artists.
I was 6 that time.
6. तो 6 साल की उम्र में she stopped school then.
What rubbish.
हाँ, she became an actor. She was a working
Yeah,
actor.
poll khol raha hai, or should I just sit on him?
Yeah, you should sit on
I think you should sit
I
on him
should
and
sit
then
on-
never get up.
You'll notice now.
Who?
Always in any panel, I will always be the largest.
अच्छा, you said you. I thought you were saying you come and sit on me. I was like,
So Kalank, we've seen the trailer, we've seen all the songs. Where is the song with you dancing in it? Where is the song with the two of you dancing together? When do we get to see that?
so.
The marketing head will answer.
That would be Varun.
No, I think it's Alia also. But why don't you say
Yes.
what's next?
Honestly, Madhuri ma'am's song is a very, very special song in the film. And also for us, because it's Madhuri ma'am and Saroj ma'am collaborating after a really long time. And it is, I think that, and it is, I have to say, one of my favorite songs. It's one of my favorite songs in the albums. Like, I play that song first always every morning. I listen to the whole album. And Madhuri ma'am's song I play first.
But
Have you
Saroji
picked-
herself is
Or
quite
Ga-
excited about it. She's been, well, after a long time actually talking to the press.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
So actually, it's
but
been
it was a
fabulous.
very big deal, and I was there in that moment as well. Actually, when Saroj ma'am came on set to see the set when they were going to discuss, and I just saw the energy between the two of them. It was so beautiful.
I just want to know, ki you said you listen to the song a lot because even I listen to it a lot. What do you do when you listen to the song? What are you doing usually?
What do you mean?
मतलब when you're hearing the song, what are you doing most of the
Singing?
time? No, because it's called तबाह हो गए. So मतलब usually मैं जब नहा रहा हूँ तो मैं गाने सुनता हूँ, but तबाह हो गए.
I can listen to when I'm in the car, when I'm like, when I'm doing my hair and makeup, when I'm in the shower, whenever I want.
I'm going to listen to it when I work out because it's called तबाह हो गए. और जब मैं बहुत सारे sets कर रहा हूँ, मैं बस वो गाना गाऊँगा.
You know, that's so interesting. We put it out on Insta just a couple of hours ago that Varun's physique gets better and better with every movie. And I don't have a movie to watch, but I've seen the trailers and I know this is you and me, but oh my God, well done.
It's a very intimate moment we've just
It
shared.
was a very intimate.
No,
Yes,
but
Varun's physique is lovely, but coming back to the song,
Yeah.
it is out on the 9th.
we hope गाना
that's the
out
next
होने
song,
वाला
तबाह
है
हो
on
गए.
9th of April. बहुत बड़ा गाना है. सरोज खान, माधुरी दीक्षित back after how many years, ma'am?
I think 5-6 years. I worked with her in Gulab Gang. She did one of my songs in Gulab Gang. And after that, we are working on this movie, on this song. I think it's a beautiful song. It's sad. It's got some lovely beats. And there's a lot of heart in the song. Because the story is also going on and coming to a head. And, you know, so there are a lot of elements in the song which kind of adds to it.
I want to ask a dance related question. मुझे पूछना है कि आपने रिहर्सल कितने दिनों के लिए की मैम इसके लिए, ये गाने के लिए?
30 minutes, probably.
नहीं, मैं हमेशा रिहर्स करती हूँ अपने सॉन्ग्स के पहले और इसके लिए मैंने आई थिंक आई रिहर्स फॉर 2-3 days for this song.
No, but there is one portion in the song, ma'am, which I think we should talk about over here since we're all here, where you do some chakkars. I think we should discuss that because that was just like, it just blew our mind. How many chakkars have you taken in this?
I didn't count how many chakkars I did, but it was a coda जो चलता रहता है. And we thought, how do we make it different dance-wise? Because उसमें we could have done a lot of other things, but then it becomes very common. So we thought, why not just take different kind of chakkars there are in dance, in Kathak. So we have done like different chakkars in that continuously, like in one shot.
Yeah,
So
for whole one shot.
yeah, so it was nice, it was fun, and it's always wonderful working with Sarojji because I think we share a lovely rapport. I understand her, and I think she shoots women, like when she works with women, there's no way. I mean, she just makes the woman look beautiful, and it was wonderful working with her again.
But you know, just literally from the trailers and only just to the extent that we can get to see what is there in the trailers and from what's being said all over the place, we're looking at a story of eternal love, okay? Just bigger picture. You think eternal love now actually exists? Tinder ka zamana hai, dating apps ka zamana hai. Does eternal love even exist? As a philosophical question.
Varun will be best suited to answer this question.
Listen, we're going to throw questions open to the press, but just before we do, Varun, tell us about your jacket.
My jacket?
Yes.
Yeah, it's really cool.
So, मैं actually shooting कर रहा था लंदन में and कलंक का जो teaser था, it had just come out, तो जफर तब introduce हुआ था किसी को. And on the last day when I was leaving, a fan had made this jacket. I had met this girl actually. She's not a fan. I met her through Apar Shakti. And she had just seen the teaser at night. And she's an art student over there. And उन्होंने ये jacket paint करके actually बना के in the morning just before I caught my flight, she gifted me this. And
That's
Show them.
Can we
Lovely
just
though,
get this
huh?
one?
Great jacket.
it's actually hand painted.
Yeah, I
मतलब
figured
this
it's
is-
actually fabulous.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's
and
fabulous.
I think और भी special ये चीज़ है क्योंकि किसी ने बहुत प्यार से बनाया और दिया है. तो it मेरे लिए बहुत it's close to my heart because of that.
It's an emotional thing.
It's an emotional thing, yeah.
Fair enough.
Excuse me.